Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So we are discussing our chapter app development and this is second part. So without wasting any time, let's start. So there are three types of mobile apps. First one is web apps and second one is native apps and third one is hybrid apps. So today we will discuss about all of them one by one. So web apps or mobile websites. So you can build them by using some languages like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. These are some basic languages by which you can develop a web application very easily. To use the web applications, you need to use some web browsers. Like you can use any web browser, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari browser, etc. So they built like a regular website or web apps. So as they are a web application, so you can build them just like regular other websites. They are designed to look good on a mobile devices. So as you can use them in mobile devices or in your laptop, PCs or on your any other smartphone. So they are capable to use on all type of devices. So they look good in all type of devices. There are some advantages of web applications. First one is easy to build. As I said, HTML, CSS, these are some basic languages by which you can easily build any web application. They are very easy to maintain. If you want to do any change in this type of websites, you can change them very easily. Use any technology or language. So there are no bounded that you have to use any particular language. So you can use any language and you can make a web application with the help of any language very easily. They are cheaper than native and hybrid apps. So as they are web applications, so you can run them in all type of hardware in all type of platforms. So they are cheaper than the other applications. Single app for all platforms. As I said, you can use them in all platform. You can use them in your mobile phone, you can use them in desktop, you can use them in laptop or any other device also. So these are some advantages. Let's discuss about some disadvantages of web applications. So here are some disadvantages of web application. First one is, by using this application, to use this type of application you need a web browser. If you want to run them, so you have to run them by using the URL. You have to enter the URL in any web browser so that you can use web applications. So this is our disadvantages. Slower than native apps. So as they can run in all type of platforms, so these are slower than other applications. Less interactive and less initiative. So these are less interactive as compared to other. These are not user friendly. You can use them, they are very useful, but compared to other apps they are come interactive. No icon on desktop. As web application works on web browser, so there is no icon by which you can open them. So cannot be submitted to app stores. So these are not application just like others, so you don't need to upload them in app store. You can't upload them. Cannot interact with device utilities. So These can run on all type of devices. So they can't interact with any particular type of device. Next one is native mobile apps. These are most common type of mobile apps. As you are using a mobile phone, so mostly all the apps in your mobile phones are native mobile applications. So they can be preloaded, and you can also download them from Play Store or App Store, and you can use them in your cell phone very easily. They built for specific platforms. So if you are using an Android phone, so you can't use the same application in Windows or in iOS. You have to download them separately for the all type of devices. Built using native programming languages. So you have to use any particular type of languages to build native apps. You can't use all type of languages just like web applications. So let's discuss about some advantages of native mobile apps. So they are very fast as compared to other applications because they work on a single platform, so they are very fast. Built to run on a specific platform. As I said, you can run them in a single type of platform. You can't run them in all type of platform. You have to download it separately for all different platforms. Distributed and app stores. So this is a mobile app, so you can download it from App Store or any other store. Interactive and initiative. So these are very interactive and they are very easy to use. They are very user friendly. Interact with device utilities. So these are for a specific type of devices, so they are very interactive with your device utilities. So here are some disadvantages of native apps. First one is single platform. So you can use them only a particular type of platform. You can't use this type of application on all the platforms. So this is a disadvantage. Harder languages. So if you want to build a native apps, so the languages are harder as compared to web applications. They are very expensive because if you have 3 devices, so on the 3 different type of devices you need to download them separately. You can't use on the different platform, so hard to maintain. Is it hard to maintain as compared to web applications. Hybrid mobile apps. Combination of native and web applications. So hybrid mobile apps are combination of native apps and web applications. So use HTML, CSS and JavaScript just like web applications. Run inside of a container or web view. So as I said, it is a combination of native and web apps. So you can use them in your mobile phones or you can also use them on your PC. So as you are already aware about a game which is Candy Crush. So the Candy Crush game, you can use the Candy Crush game on your mobile phone, and if you want to use it on your PC, so you can also use it on your PC. So Candy Crush game is the example of hybrid mobile app. Here are some advantages of hybrid apps. They are easy to build just like your web applications. You can build them easily with the help of some basic languages. They are much cheaper than a native app, so you can use only one hybrid app to the different platform. For example, you can use a app in Android phone, You can use the same app on iOS, you can use the same app in Windows also. So they are cheaper. As I said, single app for all platforms. So you don't need to download or buy separate apps. Just one app can be work on all the platforms. No browser needed. So there are mobile apps. So you don't need any web browser to search them. You can use them by just click on the icons of this application. If you download this type of app in your computer system, so there is also a icon by which you can launch them or you can start them. Can usually access device utilities using an API. So they are much familiar with your device utilities. So let's discuss about some disadvantages of hybrid app. So slower than native apps. So yes, they are slower than the native apps because they work on different platform, more expensive than web applications. So yes, because you can upload them on Play Store or any app store, so they are more expensive than web applications, less interactive than native apps. So yes, they are less interactive than native apps because they can work on all type of platforms, and native app works on a specific type of platform. So that is all about all type of web application, native apps and hybrid apps. So I hope it's clear. So students, stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you so much.